Hello students, good morning. In previous class I gave you one assignment regarding creation of multiple series and with the help of those series to create one data frame where each series was for name, class and age. Here we are creating the same program. PD as an object of pandas. N is one of the series to contain names. PD dot series and passing some names there as list. Then next one is class. C for class. It will hold the values of series where there are two items 11 and 12, and last one is age. A for age, their value is 15 and 16. Then after we are creating a single dictionary with all these series. Here name is key and n is value, n means series, and next age is key and a is value. Here a is a series to hold age, and class is key whereas c is value. Here c is series to hold class. Then after we are calling method data frame to pass dictionary which is holding multiple series. With the help of this dictionary and data frame method, we are creating data frame. That data frame is to be displayed with the help of print method. So as I execute this program, it display result like this. There are three columns: name, age and class. If it is required, we can pass index value also for the column name, but we are passing values directly without specifying index, because we are passing these values in the form of dictionary. Okay, so student, now you are able to write program to create data frame with the help of multiple series. Now we move towards next topic, that is to create data frame from any text file. Student, we can create data frame with the help of any text file where datas are in formatted manner. For example, here we are having dist.txt one file where there are data 1 1 1 2, then 1 2 3 1, like this. These are separated with each other with the help of tab key. It is possible we can create some text file, and very easily we can create data frame with the help of one method is there, read underscore table. Look at here, this one is the program, import pandas. No requirement of object. If you create object of pandas, there is no problem. Here we are directly calling read underscore table method with the help of pandas class. Here what we have to do, we have to mention the txt file path here, complete path here, whatever file we are already having, and we have to mention delimiters as white space. White space means space between values, just similar to 1 and 1 there is one space, then next 112.92 space, so continuous, there are spaces between multiple values. And third argument is the column heading, that will be A, B, C. Here we have to specify attribute names equal, so column name will be A, B, C. You can change according to your requirement. And if we display the value of DF, it will display 3 columns with these values. So student, I left this program for you to create this txt file, where you can create this txt file. Here what you have to do, you have to press this plus sign, then a.txt. okay, then after you can write values here, and as you write value, you have to mention spaces between values to look like that these are in different columns. And after writing all these values, you have to write that program in main.py file. You will write your program here, okay, complete program, and as you execute your program, you will find result. Here we are using this online compiler concept, that's why you have to create this file here. But if you are using PC, you can save your file on drive location, and you have to mention the drive location path, means complete path of file, as first argument of read underscore table method. So I left this assignment for you. You will practice. Now student will learn one more thing that is very important right now. Most of the software of web applications are being developed with the concept to read data from CSV file. Now first question arises in our mind, what is CSV file? CSV file is a file which open in Excel, and their data are separated with comma values. That is CSV file. Comma values separated, and its extension is .csv. So student, you can download any CSV file from net, and you can read that CSV file also here. And if you want to create any CSV file, open Excel, write some data and save as CSV, it will create CSV file. Okay, so student, suppose we are having one file name .csv with such type of data. First line is written like date, comma, price, comma, factor 1, comma, factor 2. Okay, under these heads there will be value in continuous manner, date 11/6/2012, then price 1620, then factor 1 1.255, then factor 2 1.548. Similarly next value and next value. This manner we can have multiple rows. So how we can read such file? It is very easy. What you have to do, first of all, you have to create pandas object pd, and you will call method read underscore csv. Read underscore csv is a special method of pandas to read csv file. Here you will mention the complete path of that csv file. Okay, as you pass this method and call this method csv read underscore csv, data is converted into data frame. and if you display data part, it will display like data frame. So student, you are finding there are two methods. One is read underscore table and another one is read underscore CSV. Read underscore table is used to read .txt file, whereas read underscore CSV method is used to read CSV file. Okay students, I left you with these two assignment. Student, you will practice as yourself. You will create one txt file and you will read those data, and next program you will create one CSV file, or you will download any CSV file from internet and you will read the data of that file. Thank you.